Good morning, it's Jan from Velomobile World. This is the last day of the company works. Probably it will be broadcast a bit later. And here I have some news about the bulk with the bigger protuberance and a little bit higher headrest and the window higher. I will turn around the camera. So they're not fully finished, they need to clean still the dust and this, but here you can see already, so we have here like the bigger, the highest knee protuberance, and here we made a bigger window, so people who are large complained about that they couldn't see straight out, only the street below. And as you can see here, where's the head, it's about 1.5 centimeter like this higher and as the standard one. So we've made now two of them, and yeah, we have now 3 weeks. 3 weeks. The factory will close. I will answer emails like this, like max an hour a day. After vacation we start working on it. A small update. I sent already the video quickly to the dealers and they were like, oh, just make sure that people knows we have already orders. Mircea, until when we have orders? Until like November for the hoods? November. So if you order now a bulk hood with the big protuberance, and you would order now a Milan SL GT hood, it will be Novemberish, December delivery. So just make sure that you know this. But I have some other news as well, so I want to show you that one. We're not sitting here doing idle, sitting idle here. So also for the Milan GT, we built also one with bigger knee hubs. We raise up the hood 1.5 centimeter, so we get here more space. And also here we will make a different window in. So this project is started. I get outside, it's pretty noisy here. So this project is started this week. I would say, so it's August. I estimate end of September this hood will be on the market. Let's say October. It's better to be earlier than I promised. Yeah, have a great vacation. And see you after vacation back. Bye bye.